Okay, so now I have opened up my activity 8, draw a house instruction sheet. You can look here, want to be in the art canvas playground. So we come to our VexVR website, we're in the art canvas. If you're not, you need to change that. I've also put in the few commands that we put in at the beginning of all of our activities, which is the drive velocity to 100 and turn velocity to 100. It just speeds up how fast our robot's going. So level 1, program the VR robot to draw a house on the art canvas using the pen block. Use a square for the house and triangle for the roof. The shapes do not have to be perfect. So it's going to look something similar to here. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. We can go ahead and start off with our pen tool down. Make sure you're putting this pen tool down, otherwise we're not going to see the house at all. And we can leave the pen color as black. Okay, we've drawn a couple squares now, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. But you're turning left for 90, drive forward. We'll say, do 600. Give us some room to work with. Turn right for 90, drive forward for 600. Turn right for 90, drive forward for 600, turn right for 90, drive forward for 600. Okay, so this now should make our bottom of the house a square. Perfect. Now to draw the roof part of our house, you see we're facing the other direction. So we want to turn right for 180. You can turn left as well. But we're spinning all the way around. We're going to drive forward, back up this 600 here, back up the right side, right across the same line we already drew. We can then turn left for 45 degrees. That's going to aim us to make the point of our roof. Drive forward, we'll say for 400. You can then turn left for 90 degrees. This will aim us back down to finish off our roof. And then drive forward for 400 again. So hit reset. And now we're drawing the bottom of our house again. Now we should be turning around fully, driving up. There's the 45-degree angle. And there's the top of our roof. Not quite perfect, but again, close enough. You can tell it's a house. Just like the instruction said, it doesn't have to be perfect. So that's it for level 1. Level 2, program the VR robot to add a garage to the side of the house. Use the set pen color block to make the color of the garage different from the house. Okay, so now all we're adding here, we'll add a little garage on the right side. I'm just going to add another little rectangle. You can add a roof to it if you want, or a garage door. But we do need to make sure that we are putting that pen tool down, as I mentioned. So we're going to move the pen tool up right now so we can get over to our garage. And then we'll be putting it back down and changing the color so you can tell that it's separate from the house. So I'm going to turn left I'm going to just work off of where I left off. I'm going to turn left for 45 degrees. I can drive forwards for 600. That should get us down right around the bottom here of our house. You then turn left for 90 degrees. Drive it back over. And we'll say we'll drive for, looks like it's not quite, but I'm going to say 400 for right now. Or 600 for right now. So we're still right in this general area. And now this is when we can put that pen tool back down. And move up the first time. And then we can change the color. Why don't we make it, say, red. Now we just draw the square of our rectangle here for our garage. Drive forward for 400. Turn left for 90 degrees. Drive forward for 400. Turn left for 90 degrees. And drive forward for 400. Again, you can use that repeat tool that we've used before. If you want to, maybe make this a little quicker. But if it's easier for you to see it and draw the whole thing out yourself, go ahead and do that. So at this point, I should now have a red rectangle next to my house or a garage. Let's find out. So we have our house we're drawing. Here's our roof. Again, doesn't have to be perfect, but it's close. All right, so now our pen tool's up. We're driving over. Here we go for our garage. There's the garage. So you see our roof's a little off. This isn't quite connected, but they're close. The idea is there. You're using the right commands. So that's going to be our level 2. Level 3, decorate your house by adding windows, a door, a chimney, or other decorations. Be creative. Okay, so at this point, all you're going to be drawing now is moving the pen tool up, moving to, say, the front door here. And we put a little front door in. Then you would put the pen tool down before you actually draw the door. Then you would move it up, maybe then draw a window up here. Just make sure you're focusing on moving the pen tool up, then moving to the next spot, dropping the pen tool back down, maybe changing the color depending on what you're drawing, and add 2 to 3 decorations to your house. So I want to see a front door, or 2 windows, or maybe a garage door. They mentioned a chimney. You can add whatever you want to the front of the house or the garage. I want 2 to 3 different decorations. I'm not going to go ahead and do it because you know how to do it. It's just driving the robot around to different places and drawing with the pen. So if you're struggling with adding your decorations, let me know. Once they're added, take that screenshot for level 3, submit to me the code and your finished drawn out house. So you need to make sure you have the pen tool down whenever you're drawing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.